Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uh, enable or how to add WooCommerce cart icon to the menu. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, make sure that you are in the WordPress admin panel, and basically the easiest way to have this feature either to have some themes that has already this feature embedded, or you can simply add some plugins. And basically in my case, I'm already using Astra, and you can simply add new theme and search for WooCommerce themes, and you might find the ones that have the product or mini cards already embedded in the menu. Anyways, if you do not have your theme that has this feature, you can simply go to the plugins, or we can go to WooCommerce and go to the extensions. So here we choose extensions, and simply we can search for the mini cards or the icon. And basically, such these ones would display real-time updates in both the mini cards and the side cards, like in the menu, and you can have many other type of cards. Or you can go to the plugin and add new plugin and simply go and choose mini cards or some cards in option, and you will have many other options that you can add to your website or to your store that you can that would have some additional feature. And as you can see, there is already such uh, this mini cart drawer for WooCommerce, or you can have this sliding WooCommerce cards by funnel kits, and you can start skipping your cards, and it will be on the menu. And basically, by activating uh, these extensions or these plugins, you might go to the settings so you can finish their setup. So I'm just going to settings, and basically I already have some buy now button, and there are many other things. And after that, you will start having your cart button on the menu. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.